Welcome to Ranvi and Richie Fun Time. Please subscribe my channel for more amazing videos. Today I'm going to make my own wallE robot by Legos.
With Legos?
Yeah.
Oh, do you have any instructions?
No.
You don't have any instructions?
Yep.
How can you make it?
It's easy.
Oh my god. Where did you see the wallE robot?
In movies.
In movie?
Yep.
Oh, the wallE movie?
Yep.
Okay.
So I got it and I made it.
Oh, just see the movie and you want to make it, huh? Wow, that's good. Okay, so carry on.
And this.
Done. Wow. Wow, it's a wallE.
Yeah, but wallE don't used to have this logo. wallE don't used to have these
Okay.
thing design.
Turn it. Slowly.
And wallE also don't used to have legs. He used to have tired wheels. And he don't used to have logo. And he also turned into box. This can't turn into a box. And he don't have these kind of design wings. So that's why I made a one design like this.
Okay.
Because I don't have more wheels, that's why.
Okay, turn it. Turn it slowly, slowly. That's good.
And he's telling me to show something awesome.
What?
Yes.
Wow! Wow, it's a movable neck. Wow.
But the whole body doesn't move, only neck moves.
Okay, show me. Turn it. Wow, it's so beautiful.
I can show you the main brain engine.
Wow, what is this?
The main brain engine. It's a solar panel.
Solar panel?
Yep.
Okay. Okay. Wow, it's beautiful. Wow, turn it. Turn the neck. Wow, that's good. Wow. Wow, it's beautiful.
A tiny blessing you see 50 brown.
Inside it?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's the energy Papa source. Bye. Bye. Have fun with this. Please like, share and do comments.